Welcome to Good Genes Genealogy, where finding your ancestors is only the beginning. Genealogy isn't just about discovering names on a chart, it's about proving descent and reclaiming legacy. Here at Good Genes, we trace those connections with precision and care. Through birth, marriage, and death records, land deeds, tax rolls, wills, census data, and archives like the Freedmen's Bureau and Dawes applications. I host free genealogy workshops at my home church in Atlanta, where the community gathers to learn, share, and grow together. For a more personal experience, I also offer one-on-one sessions for individuals and families ready to dive deeper. I'm so excited to share that our website, goodgenesgenealogy.com, has been completely refreshed. We've made it easier than ever to navigate. You'll find new learning tools, event highlights, and resources inspired by you, our community of history keepers and legacy builders. Let's take a moment to explore our main areas: home, about, resources and materials, blog, and contact us. Each page is designed to guide you through your genealogical journey with clarity and inspiration. On our About page, you'll meet our founders, Mark Owen and Dr. Anne Leneve Kimbrough, two maternal cousins who transformed their shared passion for family history into a professional mission. Good Genes is dedicated to preserving the unique stories of the Black diaspora, especially those whose family lines were fractured by history. Our goal is simple yet powerful: to provide access, knowledge, and community support so that no story is left untold. Here, you can learn more about our services, how to request research projects, and how we can work together to uncover your roots with precision and care. Next, head over to the Resources and Materials section, a treasure chest for anyone ready to dig deeper. Here, you'll find books and guides available for purchase and download, instructional videos to help you start or refine your research, and direct links to databases and archives that will power your genealogical search. It's a one-stop resource for learning, discovering, and growing your skills as a family historian. Our blog is where history comes alive. One featured story tells of my fourth maternal great-grandfather, Isaac Anderson, born enslaved, but who rose to become a successful businessman and a founding figure of Lane College and the CME Church. Stories like his remind us why this work matters. The blog is filled with research guides, ancestral stories, and resources designed for the Black diasporan family to help you uncover your own stories of strength, resilience, and triumph. And now the most important page, the contact page. Here's where you can connect directly with us to begin your journey. You can schedule consultations, book research blocks, and sign up for coaching sessions, all from one convenient place. Check out the events section to see upcoming workshops, seminars, and conferences, many of which can be attended virtually. Need to reach out quickly? Use the contact form to send a message or email us directly at hello@goodgenesgenealogy.com. You can even call or text us at 540-GOOD-DNA. We love hearing from you. Don't forget to subscribe to our newsletter at the bottom of every page for updates, new blog posts, and upcoming event announcements. And if you'd like to support our work, you can also donate securely using the link in the footer. Whether you're building your first family tree or breaking through long-standing brick walls, Good Genes Genealogy is here to guide, teach, and walk beside you. Because every family has a story, every name has a legacy, and every legacy deserves to be found, told, and celebrated. Visit us at goodgenesgenealogy.com and start uncovering your history today.